this video, we will be talking about 5 Mukhi Rudraksha, the 5 Mukhi Japamala. 5 Mukhi Rudraksha is basically for the Jupiter. Generally, people wear 5 Mukhi Rudraksha because it is easily available in the market because the production is too much for the trees. 95% of the Rudraksha are 5 Mukhi Rudraksha. So 5 Mukhi Rudraksha are found plenty. You can wear 5 Mukhi Rudraksha around the hand, wrist. Left hand should be used, not the right hand, because it's odd Mukhi Rudraksha. It can be worn over the chest area. It can be worn as a mala. It can be worn as a single bead or 2 beads or 3 beads, does not matter. 5 Mukhi Japamala. 5 Mukhi Japamala is very good to do japa, especially for the Brihaspati Jupiter. Om Brum Brihaspati Namah. This japa you can do. How to do japa? You see, there are 108 beads and there is 1 bead on the top. So you should not use these 2 fingers, you should use these 3 fingers. And you can pull the beads towards yourself and complete 1 round chanting Om Brum Brihaspati Namah for each bead. When you finish this and come to that bindu, the last one, the top, I told you, after finishing 108 beads, that's 1 bead at the top. Stop. If you want to continue, do 1 more round, then reverse the Rudraksha. Make it reversed. Don't continuously do. If you want to wear such kind of Japamala, then you have to have another Japamala. Like what you do japa or the chanting, that same mala cannot be used for wearing. If you wear something, don't do japa with that. So to keep 2 separate malas. So if you wear the japamala, for example, then you ensure that the bindu or the top of the Rudraksha bead, after 108 beads on the top, that's one I told you, it should be behind your Susumna Nadi, behind your neck somewhere here. Some people wear it in the reverse way, that the bead or the bindu comes down, which is wrong. Don't do that. You will have headache. You will have palpitation. 5 Mukhi Rudraksha Japamala can be used for chanting various mantras. There is no problem. However, I say that if you are planning to do japa for the Bagalamukhi Devi, then you should wear a 6 Mukhi Japamala. Otherwise, 5 Mukhi is enough. In the next video, we will talk about 6 Mukhi Rudraksha and 6 Mukhi Japamala. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe and wait for the next video. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.